Boys, I was fishing over there. I came to fish alone and shit. Over there somewhere. I think it was over there. I parked my car right here, bruh. Right here. And niggas done took that shit, bruh. Now I gotta fucking ask for a ride home and shit. They took them on my whiskeys and shit. Like, damn, now I gotta fucking ask for a ride, bruh. I'll ask for a ride, bruh. Who's gonna come, bruh? Please. Oh, let's go. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Hey, you need a ride? Oh, what the hell, Roach?
All right, sir. What the fuck?
What the fuck are you doing here, bro?
Someone took my whip, bruh.
Really? You need a ride?
Yeah.
Hey, get in. Oh, shit.
Unlock it, yeah?
Oh, shit. Oh, there we go.
I bet.
Bro, what are you
Oh,
doing?
hell yeah.
AC's on and everything, bro. Found Roach randomly on the middle of the street. I guess he's hitchhiking or something, but boys, this is the new car. You guys were probably expecting some other shit, but I needed a daily. I wanted a daily, and one of the neighbors was just selling this shit randomly and came up. It's a nice little Civic, you know, nothing crazy, boys, nothing crazy. A little bit of damage maybe, but overall it's a pretty nice car. It's pretty nice, comfortable as fuck. I need a daily though, and right now actually the fucking GTI is down. Well, it's not down, but she needs some help. Like, what did you guys think it was gonna be? You guys thought it was gonna be another GTI or another Volkswagen or what? But it's just a cool little daily, boys, just for now. Now that I have the daily though, I do want to go. I want to do some crazy shit to the GTI over time, but for now, I don't think I'm gonna do too many videos on this car just because I'm not gonna do too much, but we'll see what happens. Check it out. Interior's pretty clean. We just had the Chick-fil-A peach milkshakes. They were actually pretty good. I put Yasid on. Huh, Yasid? I guess not then. But interior's pretty clean. It's tan. Not my favorite, but the only thing is, look at the headliner. Oh, hell no. And then over there on the fucking corners like this, look at this shit. Oh, hell no. Other than that though, it's pretty clean. I like it. Misa hasn't even seen it yet. Well, he saw it, but he hasn't seen it. So we're probably gonna end up picking him up right now. And, yeah. Or no?
Nah, fuck that.
Let's not pick him up? Alright, we're not gonna pick him up.
Oh, hell no. You guys hear that shit? Nice. Misa's here. I can see under the water with this shit, bruh. I'm fucking Aquaman, nigga. Don't fucking play with me. Don't underestimate me, sucker motherfucker, you.
This nigga's hella annoying, bro.
Who?
Look at this nigga.
Who?
He's been annoying me all day.
What are you talking about? This nigga?
Yes!
Oh.
Nigga pointed towards the car. What do you think though? What do you think? It's cool.
Oh yeah, it's cool, nigga. I rode in it already.
I know you
nigga
did.
took me for a little spin. It's cool, nigga.
Nah, I fuck with it. It's cool, daily.
Donovan's.
Yeah, it's a little older though. It's older.
Honk it.
Don't honk it. Nigga already honked my ear out.
I don't like the steering wheel.
I like it. It feels cool when driving. It's only because it's like there's no bottom one.
Nah, it's cool. But like, it's just funny.
Yeah, it is. It's cool though. Drive smooth.
Hell yeah, cool little car.
We went to go clean it and shit.
What that nigga say? If you know, you know.
I know.
This nigga knows too, I'm pretty sure.
Nah,
I don't know.
Not good. If you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Nah,
If you
so
know,
fuck you,
That shit
nigga.
was so cool.
You
That
just
shit was
mad.
so
He's just mad,
Guys, if
bro.
you know, you know.
What you mad for, bro?
That's actually a sneak peek for next week, huh?
Yes, sir.
If you know, you know.
I kind of want to put it on my car.
That?
What the fuck is this?
Oh yeah, that's the only bad part.
Nah,
The headliner's
it's not that
fucked.
bad.
It's not that bad, but look at all of it.
How did he give it to you?
What do you mean?
Like,
Through the mail.
Price. Oh, I fuck
Get
with
in,
the
Brian.
cakes, nigga. I fuck with the cakes. Look at this nigga's shoes, bruh.
Let's go. This is real horsepower.
Let me know when you stop watching.
I'm gassing it right now, bro.
Hell nah.
Oh wait, let me get a 60 for at least.
He's gonna tell.
There we go. Fuck, this is faster than my GTI,
Oh,
bro.
hell nah.
What do you think?
Is it actually?
No, hell no, bro.
What the fuck?
If it was, I would retire. Misa, if you know, you know. If you know, you know.
Stack the dope.
Hurry. He might be watching us. Oh hell no, he hella saw us, bro. You fucking stupid. Hurry!
I can't take it out.
Oh hell no. Oh fuck. What? It might not even be a sticker. Let's get this nigga for the fucking ugly ass weeds out. Oh look. Go.
No, you said not to paint, cuz.
I know, I'm doing it right here.
Oh,
okay. Right here?
Yeah.
I don't even know. Boys, we don't know what the fuck this is, but if you know, you know, Misa.
Scan it.
Scan it, boys. Send this. Hey, everybody. Everybody, take a screenshot and send it to Misa. Ya dijo. You gotta take it out, bruh.
Hey.
The go's on. You can't be crazy. Oh, hell no. Grab him. Grab him. Nah, con toda tu mano, güey.
Oh, shit.
No, bro. Like this. Grab him like this.
You already have him, grab him.
Nah. You.
have to, bro.
He feels nasty.
Exactly.
You gotta go.
Yeah, before he dies.
Bro, you. Oh, hell no. Fine. Take the hook out. Take the hook out.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm trying to bite me.
You gotta yank it like that way. No, don't yank it out. You gotta pull it out. Like, you see how it's on there? Yeah, like that. Now pull it out. Hurry, he's taking shit or something. Ew. Hurry.
He's trying to bite me.
He's not gonna bite you. Oh no, fuck. Wait.
Is it off? No.
Almost. Nigga, grab the hook. He's not gonna bite you. Oh, hell no. Bruh. Hurry. Ya se va a morir el güey. Nigga. No, just grab the hook. You too extra. See, Yas is going. That's already 3 for you, Brian? Damn, we might have a new editor, I think. New driver. New seat. Never mind.
Hey, watch out.
Right here, me. Me. Come on, bite down. Oh, you motherfucker.
Here, look at what's.
Oh, right here. Look, me. Get the fuck out of here. Yo,
Hey, nigga, don't fucking film me.
Nigga.
Look at this nigga's doing glasses.
Look, when I do it like this though, I look cool, no?
Nah. Just for that, you gotta subscribe.
For real. Hey, chill, bro. I'm trying to help you.
Oh, he hit the warm up.
Oh,
Can I touch him?
Oh no, it's up there. Yeah, go ahead.
Here we go.
That's 4 for today, boys. But the cameras weren't rolling at the time, so.
This nigga's not stopping.
We need to look.
Bruh.
Another one.
Oh, no way. This nigga's getting... Nigga, let me catch one, bruh. That looks like a fucking piranha. No way.
Hey, look. Hey, we're going crazy.
Bro, this shit doesn't even come off.
You hear them?
What the fuck?
Grab him, hold him.
No.
Right here, hold him right here from the belly,
No.
Right here, nigga, look.
No. This nigga. Ow! Oh, shit. Hey, wait, chill
Alright. Oh, yeah, no. Brian's on the hunt. Roach is on the hunt. Dude, I feel like if I start calling you Roach, I might get used to it.
Good. I don't know if he's mad. Why doesn't want to fucking bite it? Look at him.
Where?
Right on my head.
He's just looking at it. Put it on his face.
Hey, watch out. Oh,
Wait, oh, right there. Dang it. Oh, you missed it.
He doesn't want it.
Oh, look, he's right there.
Hey,
Oh. Hey, that's a good size one, too.
He doesn't want it.
He doesn't want to fight. Hey. Oh, hell nah. Hey, look.
Oh, right here.
Look to your left. What is that for?
5.
Is it really 5?
Yeah.
You serious?
Fuck.
Nah, you gotta do it.
This was crazy.
This one's easy. Just hold them by the
Oh,
stomach.
look. He's fucking crazy, bro.
Nah, you... Bro, he's horny.
Bro, he fucking ate it. Oh, no.
Should I put the grow in there?
Yeah. You can actually.
I know.
Do it.
Wait, try to see if you see another one, because that one's mad. Oh, right there.
Hey, let's do it. Let's put it underwater. Let me see.
Nah, I don't have a stick.
It's
Because if I had the stick, I would do it. Oh, hell no, Brian caught another one. What is that, 5?
6.
Why are you guys counting your fish?
Oh, look right here. No, yeah.
Oh yeah, that one's the mad one, huh?
Oh, he
Oh,
did,
go,
he
go,
did.
go, go! You let him eat it? Oh no! There we go, nice. Bro, come on, bro.
You already have it right there?
Nah, dude. Just say fuck it, dude.
This fool.
Just look, put it in your hand, and you're not gonna. It's not. It feels weird, but it's good.
Chill, bro.
Your whole hand, all 4 fingers. 4. Put the other 2. Put the other 3.
Dude, this shit feels so slimy, bro.
It is, but like, fuck it.
Oh, shit. Oh, no, bro.
How's it feel though? Misunderstood or what?
Hell yeah, I like it. For sure, fun little daily.
Ouch.
Nigga, just run into the river right here.
Look at that.
Oh, hell nah.
That's scary.
This nigga found out.
Kawasaki? Just who cares? Just stop, bro.
A
Just
subframe?
Hey, chill. He's getting close.
Just let it be, bro. God damn.
Oh, go, nigga.
Nigga, that shit literally just fucking green, my nigga. You alright?
You're recording the window. Because I'm fucking trying to. Oh, you going over here, cuz?
The daily's making us crazy.
Oh, hell no.
Daily's making us crazy.